Hello and welcome! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage push notifications in the Quora app on your Android phone. Controlling your notifications can help you stay focused and avoid unwanted alerts. Let's get started and customize your notification settings. Open the Quora app on your Android device. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, from the side menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find Email and Notifications and tap on it. Then tap on Push Notifications to access all notification types. Here, you will see various options like messages, comments, and mentions. Simply tap on any category you want to adjust and toggle it on or off, according to your preference. Repeat this for other notification types to fully customize your experience. That's all there is to it. Managing push notifications on Quora is easy and helps keep your phone free from distractions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.